Hi, this is Natasha, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Where makeup is a passion and so is fashion. Today is the second part of my birthday haul, and I have a lot more Marc Jacobs and Coach. And as you can see, starting off, this is my second Coach bag that I got for my birthday, and this too was on sale on the Coach website, the Coach outlet. This is the lipstick one. Fell in love with it when I saw it. Just had to have it. And this is how it looks. There's two straps, the little tag, the Coach symbol with the carriage, the little lips. There's no feet on the bottom, the sides, the back. Let's see, not smooth, but it opens. This is what it looks like. To the side again. Back to the front. Now let's open it. What is this on it? Paper. As you see it is stuff. Now as you saw from my first haul, birthday haul part 1, the first Coach bag was not stuffed. It was sent back. It was a return. As you see, this one is brand new, not a return, because I'm having to take the stuffing out. And so this is what it looks like in the inside. See here. This is what it looks like in the inside of it. And it has one singular pocket, really large. And a little Coach thingy. That's what it looks like in the inside of it. Okay, now this is really nice tote bag. I'm really happy with it. I like it. So glad I picked it up. What is the name of this? It's got a name to it. Let me see if I can find the name of it. The name of this is the Gallery Tote, the lip Gallery Tote. And that is so pretty. So it's huge. Okay. Now this is the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag, mush and white. Front, the side, the back with the plaque of when he started, his name, and where he started at in the year. The side. This is the inside. The dust bag and the shoulder strap. One singular pocket, well, two divided. And this is what the inside of it looks like. I like this. Now when I got this, I said, okay, I've been needing a white bag. And I said, okay, this is gonna do. But since I've been looking on the Dooney website and other websites, I decided I'm gonna need a different white bag, something that's a little bit more classier. Because this is like a little bit more everyday casual. I like it still though. I'm glad I bought it. But I need something a more little classier. Well, this is what it looks like, and I'm happy with it. Alright, and this is the limited edition, the Future Tour. I forget how you say his name. But like I said, I bought a lot of denim Marc Jacobs bags. I think this is the second one. And this is how it looks. And this is the side of it. The back with the plaque. And the little storyteller of the collaboration with him and the guy, with Marc Jacobs and the guy. The side of it. Back to the front. Okay. Here's the strap. Alright, here's the strap. The dust bag. The inside. pocket. Oh, and the little thing that shows you the collaboration with Marc Jacobs and the guy. And that is how it looks. Very pretty. Very. I like it. Not as much as I like the Wizard of Oz, but I like it. Okay. So this is the military Marc Jacobs. This is the front of it. Now this is another one of my favorites. Now, granted, I live in a military town. My dad is retired military, Army. When he first joined the military, he was Navy. Then he got out of the Navy and he ended up going Army. He retired Army. We live Fort Hood. That's where I'm at now, Fort Hood, Texas. And so we call these military, the camo suit, the pickle. It's what we call them, the pickle suit. And you would think, being around military guys and seeing the suits, the military suits all the time, you wouldn't be off into the camo suits. But I like it. Even though I may see it every day, I like it. It's okay to me. I like wearing it. So this is another one of my favorite Marc Jacobs bag next to the Oz one. So this is the side. The back with the plaque. The other side. And back to the front. Here's the strap. Oh, the receipts for the bags. Oh, put these. Guess I just set it here. Alright, so now for the inside. This is the dust bag. As you can see, the inside is yellow. And here's the pocket. And these tote bags do zip up. Now this is cute. Alright, now let me show you the shoes that I bought off of, is it Akira? Yes, Akira, with the Zayla Wong shoes. Got these on sale. And what are these called? These are 7.5, and these are the camo Winsna. I think that's how you say it. It is right there at 7.5. And these are these bad butt babies. Look. Isn't this gorgeous? And just like these. This side looks inside. Now, what you saying, it look like little crystals. They are. They're little crystals on it. The little buckle. The bottom of the boots. The other side. Still got the stuffing inside. And the side looks in the inside. Dark. And I fell in love with these when I seen them on the site. Got these also for my birthday. Great birthday gift. So as you can see, I got a lot of purses and shoes for my birthday. But with that, depends on when you're watching this. You have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night.